Question 15 asks about the main purpose of the passage, which makes it a primary purpose question. Primary purpose questions are a lot like main point questions. Really, they're two different ways of asking about the same thing, which is the author's overall agenda. In general, the difference is that primary purpose questions will phrase the agenda more abstractly, rather than filling in all the concrete details. By this point, we should be well acquainted with the main point of the passage, which was that Cameron, although she intended to do one thing, did something else, and what she did actually made her pictures more interesting. That's what we'll be looking for in the answer choices. Answer choice A says that the author was trying to chronicle Cameron's artistic development. While this is about Cameron, and it is about art, there's no chronicle of her artistic development. It's not saying first she did this, then she did that, then she did this. It's just about the aesthetic effect of her photos. So A is not our answer. Answer choice B, well, this is exactly what we said. To argue that the tension between her intentions or her aims and what she actually produced, or her results, that tension is what created the artistically interesting things about her works. So answer choice B is what we were looking for. C is wrong because, well, one, the author never said Cameron had an essentially theatrical vision, so it would be hard for the author to be showing anything about something that they never said. Answer choice D is a project that the author never really attributes to Cameron, acquiring for photography the prestige according to painting. We don't know that Cameron was ever trying to do that. And answer choice E, this misunderstands what the author was doing with the passing of Arthur at the end. It is true that the passing of Arthur transcends its homely details. That wasn't the main point of the passage, and also, it was rather just an example of the ways in which Cameron's art was good. The point of the passage wasn't that the passing is good, but rather to use it to explain her artistic effects in general. So answer choice B was the answer, and finally, that very long passage with many, many questions is complete.